A big hello and a warm welcome to all of you amazing and beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to be talking to you about joining the channel as a member. And what does it mean and what is the purpose of joining a channel as a member? I'm not talking about any other channel. I'm talking about just Twin Flame Union and Twin Flame Universe. So you need to understand that there are different types of people who are in the twin flame journey. Some people have just started their awakening process, or some people go somewhere in the ascension, but because of their addictions and because of certain things they do, they keep falling down. So they need to do inner work even more deeply. But they don't do it sometimes, or they can't do it, or the dark nights, the subtle dark nights are always there. I've told you guys that there are two types of dark nights. One is subtle dark night and one is the one, which is very obvious. The subtle dark night is the one that creates delays in your life. Okay? Creates delays in your life, makes you lethargic, makes you lazy, makes you confused, makes you do things without any purpose in life, does not make you contributor, stops you from doing your mission work, stops you from enjoying your life every day. So some people can afford a personal reading because their root chakra is functioning better than others. Then there are some who can afford therapy because they are in a slightly better place. For them, the money consciousness, the poverty consciousness, or they want to invest in themselves, so they still don't face so many financial woes and concerns. When you want to do something and you can't do it because of money, that's when you know that there are some blocks in your base, in your foundation. Say you want to go to the market, you want to buy a dress. Technically, you should know why you want to buy a dress. You want to wear it, you want to flaunt it, you want to dress up for some occasion. Maybe it's a wedding, maybe it's a party, maybe it is some birthday, whatever, But if you're not able to do it, simple things of life. Once you get into the ascension, the clothes, the shoes, the living spaces, the food you eat, it's no longer something that you're attached to. You don't do it because it's a luxury. You do it because it's just a requirement. Eating food. So you won't eat just about any food. You would be careful. Wearing clothes, you won't be so enamored by the brands. You won't say, oh, I want the Gucci, I want the Prada, I want the Louis Vuitton. Even though it's just a stupid label, So many people know that, but still they're so crazy for it. So you're going to buy good clothes, you're going to buy comfortable clothes. You're going to wear something which will keep you warm in winters, will keep you cool in summers. You can enjoy the monsoon. You can enjoy a trek in the snow, or you can enjoy a trek in the beach. That way you would think more about your personal style, about your comfort. That will be number one priority, not just the brand or the label or the show off. Same happens with inner work. Two. Three. So it's early in the morning. I woke up at 3 a.m. today. Now it should be 6 or something, I guess. So as I've told you guys, you should do inner work in the morning. So for inner work, there are some people who can afford personal sessions. There are some people who can afford therapies depending on where they are right now. And for those who cannot afford any of these, you can join the channel as a member. Because when you join as a member, you can get live Q&A sessions, live streams, live readings. It would be obviously public sessions. It would not be an individual session, but it would be for all the people who want to do inner work, who want to get access to certain type of content, but at the same time they want to benefit in their own way. Like Sometimes even people who have done therapy, they join the channel as a member because they want to continue with the inner work. They have been in therapy with me, but still they join the channel because they are like, okay, I will keep getting some special information. So yes, join the channel as a member and get access to live Q&A, live chats, live streams, live readings, live coaching sometimes about how you can become better. Obviously, it depends on you, what you do with that information, how you use it. But my effort is to provide you with the information. What you do with the information is something that depends on you. So all the best for the inner work. One love and peace out.